We're just finishing up here in Fresno, California, Shaw Avenue Walmart. We had an amazing crowd today, completely sold out. The crowd was huge. This is Jose, everybody. This year he's the driver. He sets it up. He's the site manager. Everything Jose from Atlanta, Georgia. Hashtag Griddle more. Yeah. I make it right.
My photographer over here.
What an amazing day today. I definitely want to give a shout out to Madrid from Merced. Look at this custom UPS 64 ounce. Make America Griddle again. Canteen. Shout out to Luis from Hutch's Barbecue Sauce. Look at this, from Italy. They just went on vacation to Italy. They brought me some actual coffee from northern Italy, and they literally baked us a tray of brownies. And in case you've been wondering what the special VIP gift is on this leg of the tour, check it out. Blackstone denim apron with, shout out to Pace in our graphic design department. Check this out, a gorgeous iron on Blackstone 2020 Griddle More Tour patch. Look at that. So you can iron that onto your apron, onto a vest, a backpack, whatever you want. We finish up here in Fresno. Fresno, man, the Bulldogs bring it every year. It was incredible this year. We're going to be down in Visalia tomorrow. Griddle More. And this is Todd saying, praise the Lord.